So I wanted to add color here on the edge of this lawn here. So those are zinnias. Those are zinnia flowers. They go all the way to there. So I wanted to add color in between this row. So here it's an ornamental kale which I added here. Now the thing is that after I transplanted it, the soil was drying quickly. After watering, the soil will dry quickly. By midday it will be too dry here. So to improve moisture retention here, I just added mulch. This is just a hay. This is just hay. I added it here. If you don't have hay, this hay, you can just use grass clippings like I used on the other side. So that's how you can retain your moisture. Alternatively, you can use mulch. Alternatively, you can use compost. Just buy compost and use it to mulch.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.